Well, we got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. This is from Stowaway Gourmet. So feel free to check them out online. Stowaway Gourmet. It's basically freeze-dried meals, whether they be entrees or breakfast style items. Stowaway Gourmet. Let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this open here. This should work. This is only box 1 of 2, so may not be indicative of the true selection you get. I had ordered a variety pack. It looks like I got, okay, there are other items from your order not included in this shipment. Okay. So let's see what we got here. We got a jambalaya with shrimp. Classically spiced shrimp and vegetables with rice. These are pretty much stuffed right to the top. No real bagged air. List of ingredients. Nutrition facts. Looks like 2 servings per container. 258 calories is an example here. Let's see how many we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that's 8 of those. Next one is Thai curry with shrimp. Shrimp and vegetables in aromatic coconut curry with rice. And this one actually has more protein than the other one. This one has 34 grams protein, 560 total calories. The other one again was 517 with 30 grams protein. And you basically just add boiling water to these. This one has shellfish and fish. Ingredients. Again, 2 servings per container, 280 per serving. So that lines up math-wise. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 and 8. 16 bags so far. There's another item here. Bison beer black bean chili. Bison in an aromatic spiced beer and tomato reduction with black beans, finished with a touch of cheese and sour cream. 42 grams protein, 705 calories. So that would be 2 servings at 353 each. So this one's packing the most so far out of the 3 meals here. So we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we have 24 in this box. Selection of 3 items. Working our way backwards. 8 bags of bison beer black bean chili. 42 grams protein, 705 calories per bag. 8 of those. Thai curry with shrimp. The shrimp and vegetables in aromatic coconut curry with rice. 34 grams protein, 560 calories per bag. 8 of those. And we started off under this pile somewhere here. 8 bags of the jambalaya with shrimp. That was the classically spiced shrimp and vegetables with rice. 30 grams protein, 517 calories. So it looks like they all take 1.5 cups boiling water each. And your directions: open pouch, remove and discard the oxygen absorber. So there's going to be some sort of little packet of oxygen absorber in there. You add 1.5 cups of boiling water, 350 milliliters, and the boiling is emphasized, all uppercase. Stir well and reseal zipper. This portion here. Let's stand for 10 minutes. Carefully open pouch and stir again. Enjoy. Rehydration times will be longer at higher elevations. Our directions are set for sea level. There's contact info. Feel free to check out current contact info time, as well as there are different product offerings. They do offer freeze-dried meals, either individually by flavor, and a variety of sampler sizes, all the way up to their survival kit, which is, I believe, 72 of these bags of what they call the chef's choice. So whatever is on hand that if he can stuff into a shipment, they will go ahead and do that. So again, Stowaway Gourmet, 3 items of selection here. There's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review media reviews and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.